Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital marketing with Mailchimp step by step clearly. To protect your digital marketing with Mailchimp, start by creating a strong account password. Make sure your password is unique and combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security. This feature requires a code sent to your mobile device whenever you log in. After securing your account, familiarize yourself with Mailchimp's privacy settings. Navigate to your account settings and review how your data is being used. Ensure that you understand the permissions required for third-party apps. Start segmenting your email lists to target specific audiences. Segmenting allows for more personalized and relevant communication. In the campaign creation process, focus on compliance with regulations like GDPR. Use Mailchimp's tools to ensure your email designs are responsive and accessible. Test your emails on various platforms before sending them out. Regularly analyze your campaign performance through Mailchimp's reporting features. Monitor open rates and click-through rates to gauge engagement. Consider A/B testing different email designs and subject lines. This helps in understanding what resonates best with your audience. Set up automated workflows to streamline your email marketing efforts. Be mindful of your email list hygiene. Educate your team about data privacy and email best practices. Make sure everyone involved understands the importance of these practices. Finally, stay updated on Mailchimp's features and any changes in digital marketing regulations. By continuously improving your strategy, you'll effectively protect your digital marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.